Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you would like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with the following. My nephew had drugs with other friends. His younger brother, who was accompanying them, died in an accident when they collided. What will happen? Well, at the very least, your nephew, if it is shown that the drugs were impeding his ability to safely operate the motor vehicle, then he's going to be charged with a felony DUI. This should be a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23153E, which is a felony drug DUI, which carries up to 3 years of state prison. Now, this is under the assumption that this is the first offense and that he was not driving recklessly. Because if he was driving recklessly, there could be some enhancements that could substantially increase the punishment. The other issue I wanted to consider is the fact that this may not be his first offense. He may have had another DUI in the past. And if that took place, if he's had priors, he could even be charged with murder. Because usually when somebody gets a first DUI, the courts give somebody the following advisement. You are aware that driving under the influence impedes your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle. It is extremely dangerous to human life to drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both. And if you continue to drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both, and as a consequence of your driving, if somebody is killed, you could be charged with murder. So there is that possibility depending on his prior convictions, but this is a very serious offense, and in this situation it's going to be very, very important to establish whether or not the drugs were in fact impeding his ability to safely operate the motor vehicle, because just because somebody's in a crash doesn't mean that it was due to the alcohol or drugs. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who wants to know what is the time limit to be charged in a case of indecently touching a minor. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.